welcome back to Calorie TV. Hey, it's Ree here. So you clicked on this video today because you're interested in an easy, quick, simple dinner, lunch, snack, whatever you want to eat it. I mean, it can be whatever. It's super easy. Y'all, literally, it was like a Friday. Was it a Friday? It was like a Friday or a Saturday, and I was like, oh snap, what am I making for dinner? I'm rummaging through my kitchen and I'm like, I got this, this, and this, and this, and let's see if it makes a dinner. So happily, y'all, it was delicious. So the first time I made this recipe was last week, and so I was like, dang, I should have recorded this. This is bomb and this is easy. My subscribers might love it, right? So here I am. I recorded it yesterday. That's what we had for dinner. Oh, I can't wait for y'all to see this. It's so good. Yeah, so basically the core of the meal is vegan. The chips that we ate with the meal are vegetarian, so keep that in mind. If you do want to get those same chips from the store, they are vegetarian and not vegan. What else do I need to tell you guys? I think that's it. The video is pretty self-explanatory. I give y'all guys a little voiceover action, so if y'all like to hear my voice, you're gonna hear me the whole video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. All of that is free. Plus, you're gonna see all the videos that we make and you don't want to miss them, so hit that post notification bell. I think that's it. Do y'all like my hair? Oh my gosh, I'm real excited about it. And I put a little beat on for y'all. I love y'all. Anyways, I've talked y'all ears off enough. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so you're gonna need some barbecue sauce, some vegan or dairy-free cheese, black beans, quinoa, Goya adobo, I think that's what that is, a yellow bell pepper, a zucchini, flour tortillas, onion, leftover rice. All right, so here you're gonna see me chopping up the onion, and then after that you're going to see me chop up the zucchini and the pepper and then mix it all together for the veggie portion of this meal, and then you're going to see me season it with the Goya seasoning. Okay, so we're gonna put the stove on about a medium high, and then I'm spraying it with some olive oil, and now we're gonna toss those veggies in, and we're gonna cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, because you still want them to have a little crunch, but not too much crunch. You want it to be a little soft, but not too soft. So right there in the middle. So I'd say about 5 or 7 minutes should get you there. But in the meantime, while that's cooking, we're going to cook the quinoa. And so that's what you're about to see me get started with. So you just drop that boil in the bag, y'all. And literally it only takes 10 minutes. Like, this is my new favorite way of cooking quinoa. Then you see me opening the can of black beans. And I'm just gonna rinse those off, drop those in a strainer, and rinse those black beans off before we add them to the veggie mix. guys probably won't believe me if I tell you that literally the meal's almost complete. We're almost there. We got a few more things to do and we are in there. Do you hear me? In there. So next, after I add the black beans while they're still in the stove top, I'm going to add that leftover rice. Now this is very optional, but we try not to waste food. So we had this maybe like the night before or maybe 2 nights ago, and I'm trying to get it out the fridge. So there we go. So now I remove the pan from the heat and I add the cooked quinoa. And it's no reason to leave it on the heat since the quinoa just got done cooking. So I remove it from the heat and then I mix everything together. Once the quinoa's in, the meal is basically done. So we're going to combine that well, get everything nice and mixed together. Okay, and once it's mixed together, I put down a piece of dairy-free cheese. I scoop out the mixture onto the flour tortilla, and then I add just a little barbecue sauce, and then it's time to wrap that baby up like a burrito. And here we have a vegan burrito that I literally just found with ingredients I had laying around in my kitchen. So feel free to substitute any of the vegetables that I used. You can substitute the quinoa for a different kind of rice or a different kind of grain. Feel free to mix it up, or let me know if you try this recipe and let me know what you think, or if you substitute something, let me know that as well. Or if you have suggestions of something I could add for next time, let me know that as well too. So that's what it looks like after I've added the fillings to the burrito. And now I'm about to add some of my favorite chips to eat with wraps. But like I said in the intro, unfortunately these are not vegan, but they are vegetarian. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.